TikTok button.
Yo, what's up guys? What's going on? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off screen time on TikTok. It's very fast and easy. So you're going to open your TikTok, then tap on your profile, and right here you're going to look for the menu.
Profile view, icon 3 lines horizontal 2, button, menu.
So voiceover is going to say something like this, and you're going to tap on that.
Icon 3 lines horizontal 2, TikTok, TikTok Studio, new updates, button.
So right here you're going to look for settings and privacy.
Business, balance, my QR code, transparency MS, settings and privacy, button.
Right there.
Button. Back, button.
And right here you're going to look for screen time.
Setting, activities, content, audience, ads, playback, language, display, screen time, button.
Right there.
Selected, screen time, heading, daily screen time, 1H,
So you're going to tap on that.
1H. Image. Daily screen time. We'll let you know if you reach your daily time to help you balance your day.
So right here you're going to look for the off button.
Set your daily time. Choose how long to spend on TikTok. Get notified. Close TikTok to stay within your daily time, or enter a passcode to return to it. On, undefined, switch.
So right here you're going to turn it on and off.
On, undefined, switch. 1H off, undefined, switch.
So here's how to turn it off, and if you want to turn it on, you just follow the same steps. So that's how to turn off screen time on TikTok, and let me know in the comment section if I was able to help you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to share my channel to your family and friends. You can also help them out if they need help, and subscribe to the channel guys. Peace out.